Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. And this time it's not a video of Excel but it is a video of code.org. Okay, so firstly we will do this app. Okay, first but see one thing here. Yeah, the universe is limitless. So I've written one code here. You have to write one code here. Then the code color. Let me give it red. You can see here that it became red. How can it happen? Or let me give it cyan. And as you can see here, it became sand color. How did it happen? Now, when I do this, when I click on the slider like this, what is happening over here? How is it happening? So that's the video for today, guys. And also, I will show you one thing again. If I click like this, how is it increasing? How can I do it? And if I click on here, it is decreasing. And another thing, if I click on this drop down arrow and click on comic or click on times, you can see that it is changing in respect the font family. So how did it happen? So this video is everything about this topic, and yeah, I will show you how to do it. So if you want to see new videos like this, so click on like, click on subscribe and click on the notification bell. And also don't forget to click on all in order to get new notification from me. And till then, watch the intro. I'm Mriganka Saha and welcome back to our channel. This is Saha and let's start. So guys, I've opened a new tab and now I will write your code.org. So I know that you are close at this. I have shown you, so I will do it and I will speed up the video. Okay, so firstly I will just rename this sheet. Yeah, so I've written code maker. Now, as you can see in the screen here, these are the components for the designing part. And now you can see in the screen that we will introduce with two new components. First one is the text area. As the name says, text area is the component where you have the space to write the text. So guys, I have done this and now, yeah, so I have adjusted it, but now I want rounded. I don't want these sharp edges, I want round edges. So how to do it? You can see here, this. I am showing here border radius. Click here and now if you click on 0, it will become sharper. If the border radius decreases, the edges become sharper, and if you give it a 20 like this, you can see instantly that it became rounded. So when it increases, the border area increases, the curve, that is this thing, the edges will become rounded, will become less sharp, will become blunt. Okay, not blunt technically, but less sharp. Okay, it's wrong to say. Okay, so I have adjusted it and I have given this text area. Now, firstly, I don't need to do anything here. Okay, text area 1, okay, it's clear. Now, I will give a level here and I will write here code now, code color. So Firstly, if you don't know what is quote, quote is something which is a universal statement said by a great people. Okay. So now, I've written now. I will give a text input here. So I will speed up the video to adjust it, or it will take a long time. Okay, so I have written here code color and I have given a text input. Now I will give 3 levels and 3 sliders. Okay. And guys, I want to suggest you that what the sequence I am doing, red, green, blue, I suggest you to follow this technique only, or it will be confusing, because RGB will not change as RBG or GRB anything. It will be always given as RGB, and that is the sequence. So I suggest you to go like this sequence like me. Guys, I have given all the things that I need, but there are 3 more elements that I have to do, that I have to get. Now first let's drop down. Okay, I think firstly I will write the options here. Yeah guys, you can just give 3 options, okay, or you can give more. These are the top 3 options of my font family. You can give anyone depending on your convenience. So yo guys, I have completed the design. Now I will go to code. Firstly, I will take a variable. Variable next is equal to 20. Okay. Now on the second line. Okay. So on the second line, I want to change the code color, right? So what I have to do? I have to go to UI controls. I have to go and take one event, and ID will be text input 1, because I will write the input here and click. It will be not click, it will be input, because I want it instantly. So this is a very handy thing to do. It will be very handy for you. So I will always suggest you to use input, okay, because it will write the commands and just give response to the commands very instantly. So that's a good thing. And now I have to get a set property, and always I say if you want to change anything, you have to just set property. You have to just use the block set property, okay. So set property ID it will be not ID, it will be text area 1, because you are writing the text here. We have to change the text area. We have to change the text in the text area 1. Okay. Now width, obviously not width, right? Text color, because we are changing the text color from the text input 1. Get text input 1, because we are getting the text with text input 1 and we are converting it to the text color in the text area. Okay, so I have written on event, I have written 3 lines of code, a little bit of congratulations. So, okay, now on event, slider 1, input. Now, you're expecting me to do change, but input, I told you that input does it more instantly. So, I want it instantly, right? So, I have to do 3 on event. So, firstly, on event, slider 1 input, set property, always. So now the ID will be obviously text area 1, background color. We are changing the background color, right? And not red, but RGB. So RGB gate number. Sorry for the inconvenience in the background noise. Another gate number. So RGB, 3 RGBs. So one is slider 1, one is slider 2, and the last one is slider 3. And now you can give it 0.5, 1, or you can give, no, you can't give 0 because the color will not occur. 0.5 or 1. If I give 1, see what happens. Okay, so actually got tired of the commands. Actually, if I give it 0.5, okay, then I give reset, run. You can see the color becomes lighter than the first. Okay. Okay. So let's do like this. I have to do like this again and again. Okay. So I was just checking if the color matches with the code that I have written. So yeah, it matches. Now, firstly, when I click on plus, the font size would increase, and when I click on minus, the font size would decrease. So how will it happen? Firstly, what is the level of this? Level 5. Okay, so firstly on event, level 4 and level 5. And both click. Okay, so when I click it, it will increase font size. So set property. So x is the variable, right? So x is equal to, go to mat, take 1 plus x, step 5, x plus 5 and x minus 5. Okay, then write controls, set property. We have to take a set property, and it will be ID. So the text area 1, font size is equal to x, because x is a variable, and we have to set a property here, right? Because it is not. So guys, I think I have done, but there is one more thing. If I click on the drop down, it will have 3 options, and if I click any one of them, the font family should change according to the name. So how will it happen? Very easy. If on event, okay, firstly level 5, click is, I think, is not such a upgraded version. The upgraded version is input because it will get instantly. So I suggest you to give input. Okay, I also forgot input, and on event drop down. Where is the drop down? Oh, yeah. So on event drop down one input. That means when the drop downs options are clicked. So what will happen here? So what will happen? You know, you have to set property. So set property. It should be text areas 1, font family, and here we will not choose area. We will choose get text from drop down one. And I think it is almost complete, but there is one more thing. Let's run it. Almost limitless. Code color red. You can see, despite I am giving any color, it's changing. Now, so guys, I almost forgot to tell you that in input it will not work. I have to right click. I can write universe just to check. Okay, any code. Okay, you can write. And as you can see here, it is changing and it is also decreasing here. Now cosmic area black. Yeah, changing. Tiles black. Yeah, changing. And here it is changing. So let's reset it. And yeah guys, that's the video. And yeah, please support me as much as you can. And this is the video for you. If you like it, please click on like, please click on subscribe. And first, last of all, lastly, you can also share the project. Control C, you can give to WhatsApp, to Facebook, to YouTube, to any social media. Just click Ctrl plus V and enter like this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, please click on like, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the notification bell, and also click on all so that you can get all notifications from what I've made.